Hey everybody, Ben here with Diesel Power Products, and today we are talking about the Bosch RV275 injector for you VP44 guys. That's going to be the 1998.5 to 2002 Dodge Ram with a 5.9 Cummins in there. So let's see. You're probably looking to make a little bit more power with your VP44 truck. Not uncommon. Well, if you're looking for something that's just going to be a little bit better than stock, but you need to get new injectors, you're not wanting to break the bank, this option from Bosch is fantastic. It's what's commonly referred to as the RV275 injector because it's what would have come in a 5.9 liter Cummins that had a VP44 pump in an RV, since RVs typically need a bit more power than the pickup trucks do. Nice thing about that is, since it was designed for the engine by Bosch, assuming your VP44 and your lift pump are in good shape, you could put this into what a 100% stock truck and see a 40 horsepower increase with no additional tuning, no additional parts. Just change out the injectors and enjoy a brand new set of injectors with 40 more horsepower. Not a bad deal. A couple things to note here is we do sell these individually or in sets of 6. So if you're going to be doing all 6, make sure that you select either the set of 6 or quantity 6. If you order just one, you're going to get just one, and that's not going to help because you'll have one 40 horsepower injector and 5 stock injectors. As far as how they come out of the box, this is it. You've got your very rudimentary Bosch RV275 injector, got a sealing O-ring up top here, and the copper washer on the bottom. So if you are looking to add about 40 horsepower to your stock truck, again, no need to upgrade in turbo, no need to upgrade VP44, no need to upgrade your lift pump, although you should if you're a VP44 guy and you're wanting to make more power and you're still running your stock lift pump, we should probably talk. But if you're looking to add 40 horsepower to an otherwise good running stock truck, this option from Bosch is a great choice to go with. We have tons of great reviews on these, and we've used them ourselves, and we're very happy with them. If you have any questions on these, please do not hesitate to reach out. We have phone sales technicians ready to answer your questions 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time, Monday through Friday. You can also reach us using the chat feature on the website, social medias, email, whatever works best for you. We are here to help and answer any questions you may have. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.